Pepper chili baby corn recipe. In a pot, add 1.5 liters of water and boil the cut baby corn till it comes to a rolling boil. I would say about 10 to 12 minutes. This is now at a rolling boil stage. Drain the baby corn onto a plate. In a hot frying pan, add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, add 2 thinly cut onions and spring onion whites and stir fry. Next, add 1 inch grated ginger. You can add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic too. I usually don't. Add 4 cut green chilies. Add 3 sprigs of curry leaves and mix well. Add salt per taste. I added around 2 teaspoons. Add 1.5 tablespoons of freshly ground black pepper. Add half a tablespoon of ground star anise. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce and mix. Next, add the baby corn and mix well. Coat all the baby corns uniformly with the masala. You need to fry it for around 5 minutes. You need to keep on stirring it. I would suggest checking the taste. Turn the heat off and garnish it with 3 sprigs of spring onion greens. The dish is now ready to serve. I enjoyed it with a Coke Zero. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for notifications when I post these cool recipe videos.